Namaste friends, I'm Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I'm here with pattern 52, for which I have used Hobby Store Special DK yarn named Pomegranate with color code 1083. This is a versatile stitch. This is worked simply with single crochets in the single chain loops, and it is termed as different stitches in different versions. Sometimes it is called as granite stitch, sometimes moss stitch, so on and so forth. What I'm going to show you is the simple stitch worked over this 34 DCs, and in the blanket 302. It requires an even number of chains to start with, otherwise odd number of stitches. So to begin with, let us make a first single crochet in the very first stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. This is the pattern repeat, first row repeat, and it's a single row repeat. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Continue till the end. I shall tell you the adjustment in the end over here. So come to the end of the first row here. Now ideally my pattern ends here. I have one more stitch, so I'm going to just make a single crochet over there. So ideally I have a single crochet adjacent to it, but I'm going to start my pattern from here. So make the first single non-counted, and if you're working on a separate piece and you're starting the pattern here, you'll ideally make four chains and do the single crochet, skipping the single crochet and working in the chain 1 space. Now since I have a single crochet here already, I'm going to chain 1 and do my single crochet in chain 1 spaces. Chain 1, skip the SC, single crochet, and when I'm picking up the yarn also, I'm picking it yarn under the hook. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, I'm taking yarn underneath. I'm not taking the yarn like this. Chain 1, skip 1, yarn under the hook, not yarn over the hook. I'm taking yarn under the hook. So this gives a nice definition for the stitches. So ideally it's a one row repeat. You work single crochets in chain 1 spaces only, row after row. So make 4 rows of single crochets in chain 1 spaces with separating by chain 1, skipping the SC. You will have chain 1 over the SC, and you will do SC in chain 1 space. That is the pattern repeat. So I have my single crochet here. I'm not working in single crochet. I'll chain 1. This single crochet will be under the chain 1 of this row. Again chain 1, skip the single crochet, work single crochet in chain 1 space. This has to be repeated row after row. You may do for 4 rows and then do the DC. I shall meet you at the end of 4th row. So once you complete 4 rows, this is how it will appear. It is a reversible pattern. So very simple stitch and very simple pattern, and it gives a great effect on your projects. You can mix and match this pattern with any other stitch too, so there won't be any difficulty when you mix and match this pattern. It is a versatile pattern. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now.